Alright, let's talk about something that's quietly transforming the way our devices connect to the world. eSIM technology in the Internet of Things. Now, I know, eSIM might sound like just another tech buzzword, but stick with me, because this tiny chip is a game changer for everything from smartwatches to industrial sensors. So, what exactly an eSIM? Well, unlike the little plastic SIM cards you swap out of your phone, an eSIM is built right into your device. No more fiddling with trays or losing that tiny card under your couch. It's all digital, and it can be programmed remotely. This is huge for IoT. Those billions of devices out there quietly collecting data, running your smart home, or even monitoring traffic lights. Imagine you're a company rolling out thousands of sensors across different cities. With traditional SIMs, you'd have to manually insert a card into each device. With eSIM, just update them all over the air. Fast, efficient, and way less hassle. But it's not just about convenience. eSIMs make IoT devices smaller and more reliable. No physical slot means fewer moving parts, less risk of damage, and more room for other tech inside. That's why you see eSIMs popping up in everything from fitness trackers to connected cars. Security is another big win. Because eSIMs can be remotely updated, you can patch security flaws or switch carriers without touching the device. If a device is compromised, you can lock it down instantly. For industries like healthcare or transportation, that's a serious upgrade. Now, let's talk about flexibility. eSIMs let manufacturers ship devices anywhere without worrying about which carrier the customer uses. You buy a smart gadget, turn it on, and it connects to the best available network wherever you are. That's especially powerful for global IoT deployments. Think shipping containers or wildlife trackers that roam across countries. Of course, there are challenges. Not every carrier supports eSIM yet, and managing millions of devices still takes some serious back-end work. But the industry is catching up fast. So, to sum it up, eSIM technology is making IoT devices easier to deploy, more secure, and a whole lot smarter. It's one of those innovations that's mostly invisible, but it's quietly powering the next wave of connected devices all around us. If you're into smart tech, or you're just curious about how the world is getting more connected every day, keep an eye on eSIMs. They're small, but they're making a big impact.